So in this video, we will be upgrading the light-out management. So this is a factory reset 6400 checkpoint appliance. And as you see, I have already set a few IP addresses. So I have set the management IP address of the box so I can reach it from my machine. I also changed the IP address of the light-out management. There are a few ways to do this. So one of the way is, of course, just to connect your laptop to the light-out management port and set a static IP address and log into this GUI. However, I don't have administrative access on my laptop, so I cannot change IP addresses. So I thought, like, how do I fix this? And the way you can fix this is by connecting to the console port. So if you have the console port, it will look like this. Like the first time wizard is not run, and you can run like show configuration, and I will just highlight what I've already done. So what I've done here is the IP address of the management interface. So when it comes to checkpoint appliances, they have more or less a dedicated management interface that you can set. So the only thing I changed the IP address here, I didn't even change the default route or anything. So the default route is not changed. But it's nothing here when it comes to LOM. Honestly, the first time I did set this like management interface, isn't this the LOM? No. So on the appliance itself, it's a management interface, and then it's a dedicated LOM interface as well. Normally they have also a dedicated sync interface, and the rest of them are just numbers on it. I will put up a picture on an appliance so you can see it. But then you need to go into expert mode. Most likely it will ask you to set an expert password. So you would do like lock database override, and then you would do set expert password and put in your password, and then re-enter it again. And then you will do like this. So if you want to set the IP address of a LOM on an appliance, you do like this. So it's one configure or one command. So you just do LOM IP set and the IP address that you want to have, 162.168.86.120, the subnet mask, and then the default gateway of this LOM interface. So one command like this, and I can do like this, and I will just show you, because it will restart the LOM interface. So if I now ping the LOM interface, we see that it works because I've already done this. I need to prep something when I do these videos. But if I hit enter here now, it will more or less restart the LOM. It's a dedicated computer. And this will take a while before this actually happens, something here. And I would say before I did have an outage here, but apparently not. So yeah, doesn't really matter. But you see, my prompt has not returned yet. So something is happening. And I don't know if I can refresh it here, but now it's done. So we got one timeout. Okay, never mind. And the first time you do this as well, let's see if I get it up. You need to allow pop-ups, so it will come like a pop-up here. And the default password and so is admin. And when you enter admin, you will be requested to just put the new password. I think I have some pictures of it, so I will just put it in the video after here as well. Other than this, I haven't done anything. So first of all, we can see like, okay, this is Checkpoint's old logo. So it's not really up to date. And we see here that the firmware was built in May 2020. and today it's 27th of April 2024. So it's 4 years ago. So the escape for setting the IP address is 92986. And the second thing that we want to do, of course, we want to upgrade the Lighthouse management more or less right away. Because we don't want to have the old version. We want to make sure that we have the latest and greatest. That's best practice when you install new things. So we see here then, okay, what is the recommended version for my appliance? And I have a 64,000, and the recommended one is 6.20. And I'm currently on 0.39. So it's a few things. And I don't know this. So this will be a gamble. Because here I have 6400 and here it says 5.18, and this require HTML5 based LOM cards. How do I know if I have an HTML5 LOM card? Maybe we can check that. Yeah, this is I think this is Clish command. Maybe not. It was show LOM. Doesn't show much. Show LOM type. LOM version. I don't need the version. How do I check if it's HTML5? Maybe this one. Here it says show LOM type. It doesn't work. So I think we do like this. We will upgrade to version 5.18. And then we will run the command again to see if we have an HTML5 based LOM card. So we do this one. Download. So it's downloaded, great. And we go to maintenance, firmware update, and we want to do update mode. You will not be able to perform any task until the firmware upgrade is completed and the device is rebooted. Is the full device rebooted or only the LOM interface? Because the LOM interface is more or less a separate computer. So we will try. So okay. Preparing the device for firmware upgrade. And I guess if we ping this one, we can see if we actually lose access to it. So we do ping to this one and select firmware. And here I have the firmware upload. So current version, new image version. The firmware image has been verified. The upload firmware is newer than the current installed firmware. Proceed. Click OK will start actual upgrade process. There will be storage written in a few new. Its essential operation process is not interrupted once it starts. Don't pull the power while you do it. So okay. And I mean, I can still reach the box. So I think they should more or less highlight that it will only affect the LOM. So some wording in this, but we will see. Maybe it's different in the newer version as well. The device has been reset. Okay. And I mean, I can still reach this. So I will just assume that it's only the LOM that is actually affected. All right, so we can reach the light-out management. Let's see if there are some changes. 5.18 hardware inventory. I don't know if it says that it's HTML5 as of yet. Now I have 5.18. Do we see here now if we do show LOM type? Show LOM. Maybe we need to proceed with the first time wizard just to have the full command. Maybe we need to upgrade the appliance to see all of this. Or should we just do it? Should we just do an attempt? HTML5. How do we know that we have that? 6.20. I mean, are they... Let's download it. Let's try it. What's the worst thing that can happen? Upgrade firmware. Enter update. Yes. Let's see. This trying by doing. Let's see if we break something. I hope not. I wonder if it will complain if I do a mistake. Firmware. This one, upload. I hope it verify it. This required HTML5 based LOM card. The device has been reset. Okay. Image verification unsuccessful. Please check if the upload correct image in order to try to upgrade again. You need to reset the device. Press OK to reset the device. So I don't think I have an HTML5 version of the LOM. All right, so let's see. I mean, I have the latest version I can go on now. We have already tested that, so we have 5.18. Maybe we can try to launch. I don't even know if I have Java. Do I have Java on my computer? I don't have Java. I don't know how to do it. I don't have Java. Can I download Java? So I install Java now. Everything to make this work. So Java has been installed. So let's see if I can start it now. So this is how the console currently looks. So admin. Nice. So I just need to show something on the light-out management. So the point of light-out management is that you are supposed to be able to reboot the box and see everything that happens on the console. So let's restart the box. Reboot. Are you sure? Yes. Going down. So this means that this part will disappear. So if I do cmdb and just ping this one, 192.168.86.110. So this is not responding anymore. We can see like this. And hopefully everything shows up here. So here we can see the light-out management is actually working, and we see the boot process. It's great to be able to have a light-out management, so you can actually remote your system, you can reboot it behind enemy lines, No, but more or less you can see what is going on. If it crash within the boot, you can go into fail-safe mode. So a light off management, I would say, if you don't have physical access to the box, even if you have physical access to the box, this is light out management is a game changer. So now it's back up and running. So having light out management or similar, I mean, if you're running open servers, you have ELO for HP, you have, I think it's called iDRAC for Dell, but having more or less the possibility to see the boot sequence, see everything that is actually happening on the box without you being there physically. It's a must-have. So I hope you understand the benefit of having a light out management. And within data centers, I think this is a must-have. It's more or less mandatory. You need to think about how you connect your light out management, because if your access to the site is going through the same box, well, then you have an issue. So it's, for me, we normally have a dedicated out-of-band management network. It has dedicated routers, so we can reach from the inside. Just to reach like the ILO for the servers, the light out management for appliances boxes like this, or console switches. And this is a network where you don't have any production within this network. It's just there to make sure that you always have access. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, even if it was a bit, yeah, it was a bit strange. So I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.